Hello students. Now today we'll continue our chapter sound. As yesterday and in my previous video I had discussed with sound vibrations. Today we will go through this sound vibration. First see the figure. This is the sound vibration. This is displacement in upward direction but movement in this direction. And you can see in figure small a is the maximum displacement shown in figure, and this maximum displacement point at the surface is called crest. So this is the maximum displacement point in upward direction is crest and downward direction is trough. Now come to the amplitude. This is small a. What is amplitude? Maximum displacement of sound particles in either side, in either direction is called amplitude. It may be in upward direction or it may be in downward direction, but it doesn't matter. All are amplitude. So to the amplitude, maximum displacement of sound particle in either direction, upward or downward. It is marked with a small a. Now second is wavelength. You can see here, this is the symbol of wavelength. This is called lambda. So wavelength, this is the symbol. The distance covered by the wave, distance covered by the wave in one time period, in 1 second, how much distance is covered by the wave, that is called wavelength. It is the distance between two consecutive crest or trough. You can see it is the distance between two consecutive crest or between two consecutive trough. It is known as wavelength and it is denoted by lambda, this symbol, inverted Y. SI unit of this lambda, this wavelength, because it is length, so SI unit is meter, M. Third is frequency. What is frequency? So, number of waves passing through a point in unit time. In 1 second, from a point, how many waves are passing in 1 second in a particular point? That is known as frequency. So number of waves passing in 1 second, one time period from a point. Second, what is time period? You all know what is time period? Time taken by one wave to pass through the point. From this to this is one wave. From this to this is one wave. You can see in figure A to B, one wave is completed. This is half wave, this is half wave. So AB is the one complete wave. So this wave is taking how much time to pass through this point? One wave is taking how much time to pass through a point is known as time period, or time taken to complete one wave, you can say. Next is crest. Crest, see, you have seen there it is also crest. What is crest? Crest is a point on the surface. It is a point on the surface where is the maximum displacement in upward direction. So maximum displacement in upward direction is at this point. So this point is called crest. And if maximum displacement in downward direction, then this point is called trough. So these are the crest and trough. So this is the figure of sound vibrations. Very important. You have to go through and you have to note down all these things in your copy and try to understand. Okay. Thank you. Again we will continue from here. Till then, goodbye. And if you have any question, any query, you can go through messengers of Campus Care. Thank you. This is the figure, clear figure of the sound wave, how it is moving. C crest, A amplitude, lambda inverted Y is wavelength. You can see, you draw the figure. Okay, thank you.